been a pretty good Saturday morning so far. I organized a ton of files. I got some work done for client of ours from last year. I feel like I have a lot going on. I gotta go try to find an iPhone X Max. I'm currently recording on an X. I'm convinced that the iPhone 8 has a much better camera. The special surprise that I wanted to share with you guys today is I'm going to this event put on by one of my youth kids. It's a fundraiser for folks who require assistance from blind dogs. I'm interested to see what it's going to be like. I think we eat dinner with blindfolds on or something like that. I don't really know all the details, but I guess we'll find out. And I didn't have to go pick up the baseball team from the airport this morning. Luckily, I can do that later tonight, and so that kind of frees me up for the rest of the day. Oh, and by the way, I really want to do a cool time-lapse of the sun, but there are no clouds in the sky, and so it's really not going to look all that cool. All right, well, still no clouds, but I've got some time to kill, so going to go fly the drone for a bit. Just drove around for about 10 minutes trying to find a yard sale. It's not their fault, it's my fault. It's 2 in the afternoon. The signs are still up, but they've probably already packed up. I'm gonna continue to do some drone footage and just carry on with the rest of my day. That's okay. Stores don't last that long around here. That salvage place closed down. This phone spot's pretty new. This has been a bar, a coffee shop, and now a bar again. We'll see how long it lasts in Cherryville. To be honest with you, I'm the negotiating type, and it wasn't a bad price, but just not low enough for me. By the way, I'm wearing this hat today because I found it and I think it looks very, very old. The mirror is doing an effect where my glasses are on the top. It almost looks like I'm wearing them. Missing? All right, bye. Hello. Hi friends, todo bien? We've got lunch there. Let's try to find our best buddy here. Oh, sway! Look at you, man. You're getting all big on us. Driving like a boss now, huh? This is your view?
Yeah.
I see. I see. How old are you now, this way?
14.
14 years old, driving like a boss. Look at you. I love that kid. I've known him for years now, and he is growing up to be a fine young man. I know hope you're doing well in college. Keep up the good work. The end of the semester will be here before you know it. You got this.
GoPro, other GoPro for the drone, wallet, SD card reader, and SD card for that camera, and that camera, SD cards, keys, knife, battery.
Just have to be careful here because I got my first ticket about 1.5 years ago right here. There's a cop right there. Lincolnton is absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna go straight there. The church building where I serve as youth pastor used to look a lot like that one. It actually burnt down in the 1960s, and so it doesn't look like that anymore, but it was almost exactly like that if you look at the pictures, that round aspect. I really want to fly the drone in Lincolnton, but I don't have a lot of time. I have an event I need to get to, and so another day. That's pretty cool. The guys right next to the mural there, one of them knew the fella there in that baseball card. He was the pitching coach for the Yankees. I didn't know that. And the Yankees just won the World Series a few years ago. And he tossed them 2 World Series baseballs that go for about $600 apiece. That's pretty cool. That's what I love about small towns. You roll your window down, you talk to someone. You don't have to worry about danger. You don't have to worry about where you are necessarily. Now tonight I'll be in Charlotte, and that's a totally different ball game. All right, I am running a little bit late. Avery, when you watch this, please don't hate me. But when you see what you're about to see, you'll understand why I had to do this before I go inside. All right, we both don't know where we're going. I'm here with Harrison. What's up, Harrison?
Hey.
This is Avery's brother. Harrison, do you know what we're doing today?
Barely. I know we are doing an event for the Southeastern Guide Dogs.
It is about dogs, right?
Yes.
Now, are we going to be blindfolded when we eat, or?
Yes, if you're participating, yeah.
Okay. Harrison came home from college just to support his sister. That's awesome.
That's right.
So we're going to figure out what this thing is. Got the projector. Let's do it. There's Avery's mom. There's Avery's boyfriend. There's Avery's dad. Hey, Mom. We might be stealing an HDMI here. Good deal. She does have one.
This is our...
I had a feeling this would happen, that we would need an adapter, and sure enough we do. Technology just changes so much. We have an HDMI port, we have a new computer. The projector is for an old VGA computer. And you know, it's exactly what Apple did this year with their new MacBook Pro. They changed to a USB-C for everything. Sometimes I edit with that new MacBook Pro and it's terrible. USB-C is a great idea. Can't plug my iPhone, I can't plug an SD card, I can't plug in a hard drive into a USB-C anymore. That's okay. I mean, technology advances and that's a great thing. Faster, better, cool. It's just a money-making scheme. Those 1 or 2 millimeters that change from a regular USB to a USB-C literally create billions of dollars for Apple Industries out of thin air. All right, got the adapter. We should... Terrible. I'm sorry, Avery. I got my times mixed up. I have to go pick up the baseball team, so I can't stay, but those dogs are cute. The whole event is awesome. I hope it goes well. Super excited for you. Honestly, I truly hate leaving events early. I really wish I could stay. I'm running the clock. Man, I really need a phone charger. The best place for me to get one right now would be my office. I just really don't want to go into my office on a Saturday. The only coffee I've had today was the 2 cups of coffee I had about 8 hours ago. And I'm feeling pretty drained. The baseball team will be here in just a little while. It's been a busy day. It's been go, go, go. Thanks for sticking along with me. And even though I'm not going to get a cup of coffee, I'm going to get something so much better. I haven't had Hungry Howies since, about 3 years now. It's delicious. If you've never had it, you should have it. I'm tired. I got to get out of here. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.